How to maintain retention.
Imagine filling a bucket with water, but the bucket has holes. No matter how much water you pour in, it empties. Your videos are that bucket, and every boring or confusing moment is a hole where viewers leak out. Today we are going to plug those holes. Capturing attention is filling the bucket. Maintaining retention is plugging the holes so it does not empty. Today you learn how to keep your prospect watching until the very last second, where your call to action is.
The retention curve, where people leave.
Inside your video analytics, you have a golden tool, the retention curve, which shows what percentage of people keep watching at each second. Learn to read it, because it tells you exactly where your holes are. There are usually two critical drops, one in the first 3 seconds, weak hook, and another halfway through the video, weak pace, or it became too long. Identify your drop, and you will know what to fix.
The retention curve tells you, second by second, where your prospect gets bored. Listen to it. The levers for maintaining retention.
These are the levers that plug the holes and keep people until the end.
The golden rule: make every second earn the next one.
There is one mindset that sums it all up. Every second of your video has one single job, which is to make them watch the next second. If a moment does not push people to keep watching, it is extra. Watch your video while asking yourself at every moment, would this make me stay? Wherever the answer is no, you have a hole. Cut it or improve it. This mindset, applied relentlessly, is what raises retention the most.
The only job of each second is to make you watch the next one. The mistake that kills retention the most: filler.
Of all the holes, the most common one is filler. Long introductions, rambling. Let me explain the context. The silences. In short-form video, filler is poison. People do not forgive boredom for even 1 second. The solution is brutal, but effective. Record normally, and then cut mercilessly everything that adds nothing. Most videos improve their retention simply by making them shorter.
Real example.
Marta had good videos, but people were leaving halfway through. She looked at her retention curve and saw a clear drop at second 8, right when she made a long pause to give context. She cut that part, sped up the pace, and added a curiosity loop there. The drop disappeared. Average retention went up, and with it, reach. She did not change the topic. She plugged the exact hole the data was showing her.
Common mistakes.
Only taking care of the hook and neglecting the middle. People also leave halfway through. Watch the whole curve. Adding filler and pauses. In short-form video, 1 second of boredom costs you viewers. Making the video longer than necessary. If the idea fits in 20 seconds, do not stretch it to 60. Never looking at the retention curve. It is the map that tells you where to improve. Use it.
Practical advice.
Turn reviewing the retention curve of every video you publish into a habit. Look for the sharpest drop and ask yourself what was happening at that second. A pause? Something confusing? Did it become too long? Correct that point in your next video. By improving one hole at a time, in a few weeks your videos will retain much more. Data is your best teacher. Now you know how to make them stay until the end. And that ending, where your prospect finally arrives, is the most important moment for your business. The call to action that triggers the message. In the next lesson, we will look at the CTAs that generate private messages.